Abiu soothes the stomach and fights coughs in a way that folk medicine has always known. And now, science has confirmed it. The mucilage in ABI forms a protective layer in the throat and lungs. Coughs ease up and breathing improves within a few hours. Abiu creates a protective film inside the stomach that soothes irritation. Anyone who suffers from heartburn or acid reflux feels natural relief. The fibers in ABI regulate digestion and help the body absorb more nutrients. The intestines work more regularly and with less discomfort. Protected lungs, a calm stomach, and regulated intestines, all thanks to Abiu, an Amazonian fruit with a honey-like flavor and the power of medicine.